My sweet, beautiful singing. If yesterday was Monday, what day of the week comes after Monday? Sunday? Monday, Chelsea?
Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday.
Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday.
Good job. T-U.
T-U.
S.
E-S.
D-A-Y.
D-A-Y.
Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Good job. I tried to trick you with being loud, then being quiet, then being loud, and then being quiet. Could not trick you. My sweets, how many months are there in 1 year? Zaya, how many months? Remember? You're usually with Mrs. Tabor right now, so it's hard to remember. Do you know? 12. You may stand, my sweets. Make sure your masks are all the way up. Ryan, how would you like to sing, sweetie? Really fast. All right, tell Karina and Mitchell at home, you got to look carefully. I got all my kids here today, so it might be a little bit trickier to see me. Really, really fast. Can you do it after a week of being gone? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you awake?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Really fast. Ready? Set? Go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Oh, you guys could do it. Kiss your brains. You guys did a good job going so fast, and you guys were all singing and saying the words. My sweets, the last time you were here, it was April 1st. You have not had school all of these days. Well, yesterday was April 12th. So what day is it today? If yesterday was April 12th, what number comes after 12? Prince. 13. What does 13 look like, sweetheart? Yep. A 1 and a 3. And what shape comes after a hexagon? A rectangle. Good job, sweetheart. Good job looking at the pattern. After a hexagon does come a rectangle. Boys and girls say, good job, Prince.
Good job.
All right, I need a date writer. Almost all my sticks are in. Some of you had a turn last week. Ryan, would you come write my date for us, sweetheart? Would you like help, or do you want to do it by yourself, sweetie? You want to do it by yourself? All right, so he's going to write April 13th, 2021. You guys did that on your math papers this morning. Mitchell and Karina, I know you probably didn't have time to finish your fuzzy poster. None of us finished here at school, but you can always finish it later at home, okay? Take your time. I want you to take your time so it looks nice. Nice job. Lots of you are watching his nice, neat handwriting. That's okay. I got you. My wipes are getting a little dry. Yeah, they sat in there, and then all the water. You're welcome. Allergies getting you? Me too, Mr. Birch too. My dog Romeo has allergies. His eye starts getting this goopy stuff coming from it. So I always have to give him allergy medicine too. He doesn't sneeze. No, it's not snot. It's just like he just has goop that comes from his eye, and then I give him an allergy medicine every day, and then it goes okay. All right. Yeah, kind of like that. Not cute little comma. It is gross, but he just has allergies. He can't help it. And last goes your year. Yep. You're doing great, sweetheart, remembering all the little pieces. Hold on, Ryan. You're writing you made your comma way over here, so then your year needs to go over there, silly goose. Not right next to your 3, but put your 2 over there. There you go. After your comma. That's why you use the comma. Yep. You guys are being very patient. And then, awesome. Boys and girls, say thank you, Ryan. He did great. He did the date, or he did his month, the date, his comma, and his year. Awesome. You got it, sweetie. Those ones are easy to put on. Thanks, babe. You can have a seat, sweetheart. Boys and girls, say April.
April.
Say 13th.
13.
Grab your microphones. Get those froggies out. You haven't said the date in over a week. So no froggies. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is April 13th, 2020. Say, I hope you had a great Easter.
I hope you have a great Easter.
Thanks, I did. I hope you did too. My sweets, what number does a 6 and a 5 make? Raise your hand. Don't blurt. Oh, thank you, sweetheart. A 6 and a 5 makes what, Zaya? 65. If this one is 65, a 6 and a 6 makes what, Jair? 66. After 66, Bridget? 67. 65, 66, 67. What are we counting by? 65, 66, 67. What are we counting by?
68.
68 will come next, right? But what are we counting by? We're just counting by ones. Right here. 65, 1 hop, 66, 1 hop, 67. We're just counting by ones. I need someone to come and finish. Oh, Mrs. Birch is not going to be able to get down there for very much longer. Whew. I know I'm not going to be bending down for very much longer. London, would you come finish? Can you pull your mask all the way up for me, my love? 65, 66, 67. Good job. If you need help, you can look down here. 65, 66, 67, 68. Good. 69. What will come next? What numbers does 7 and a 0 make? She's right. What number is that, Jaden?
17.
17. Cup of tea. Boys and girls, say, great job, London.
Great job, London.
Thanks, sweetheart. Smart mathematicians always double check. Count with me. Ready? Set. Go. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Good job. I thought you guys would get tricked. Nope. My sweets. Jordan said, Mrs. Barch, why do you always put up a day without us? Because she noticed I put up 129. Because remember, Mondays are always a day of school, even if you're not here, because Mitchell and Karina at home have to come get their packets. So even though we don't have school, it is technically still a school day. That's why you have homework on those days. So I put up yesterday's 129. What comes after 129? I know you guys are getting so smart. 127, 128, 129. Jordan? If you don't know, look at what comes after 29.
30. 120.
Not 120, 30, just 100. 130. Sweetheart, what will 130 look like? What goes first for 100? Yep.
1, 0, 3.
Switch the last two. 1 and then 3. Yeah, you got it. 1, 3, 0. Let me show the kids at home. 1, 3, 0. Go ahead, my love. You can stick that up. I need a careful colorer to come and color my 130th square. Adelia, would you come color my last square in this row? Oh, I'm sorry, sweetie. Here's one full 100, 110, 120, and soon we'll have 130. All right, sweet girl. Can you color that top one for me? I need a day in school writer. Chelsea, it picked you, my love. Can you write 130 for me? In 100s, 10s, and 1s. Do you need help to tie your shoe, or you got it, babe? Help. put your foot up here for me? Thank you. There you go, sweetheart. So her foot can come up here because bending over is getting trickier. What goes first, sweetheart? What are you going to write? A 1. Yep, right here, babe. What goes in the next box? Nope. Look. No. What number is that? A 3. And then in the last box goes your 0. Yep. Sweetheart, Chelsea, is 130 even or odd? What number are you going to look at, sweetheart? Are you going to look at the 1? Not the 1. You always look at the number that's at the back. So who's at the back, babe? 0. Is 0 even or is 0 odd? 0 is even. Good girl. So 130 is even. Boys and girls say, you got it, Chelsea. You give me a high five, babe. You did great. Boys and girls say, thanks, Adelia. She colored so beautifully. You can step back very carefully, sweetheart. Thank you, boys and girls, for all sitting crisscross with your hands in your lap, because that means they can't get stepped on. You guys did great. I need a clock helper. Then we will do points. My clock helper is Caleb. Caleb, I want you to pick a friend today to tell you what time to show. They can tell you an o'clock or a half past, a 30 number. So you pick a friend, and they're going to tell you what time to show. They have lots of options. London? Is that who you picked, sweetie? London? Okay, London, what time should he show? What, honey? 8 o'clock. She picked an o'clock number. 8 o'clock. Zaya, would you come and write 8 o'clock for us, my sweet? We will not, thank you. I will try to not forget tally marks. 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
Caleb, where does your big hand go for 8 o'clock? Yep. Good. He's got his little hand on the 8. I'm just going to scooch it up a little bit. His big hand is up to the 12. 8 o'clock. Good job. Say, how do you write 8 o'clock? And then what goes after the dots? O'clock is 0, 0. You got it, sweetie. Caleb, you did great. High five, babe. Zaya, you did great. High five, babe. Awesome. Coins, and then Ryan. I will not forget. If I do, raise your hand and tell me, okay? If I forget them. I need a coin cup helper. My littlest, sweetest coin cup helper is Prince. Come on up, babe. You haven't done coins for a while because you're usually with Mrs. Tabor. Sweetheart, what coin do we count first? Do we count the dimes or the pennies first? Not pennies. We're not on paper right now, so we count the dimes. How many dimes do you see, babe? 5. Can you draw 5 dimes for me, sweetie? Kylan, you have not had a turn to do anything, and you're sitting so quietly with your hands in your lap. You're not making a peep. I'm going to give these to you to count for him. Wow, you are quick. Honey, how much is a dime worth? Can you write 10 on top? A dime is 10 cents. Good job, Prince. You got it, Caleb? Awesome. Awesome. Kylan, how many pennies should he make? 5. Ooh, 5 dimes. And now can you make 5 pennies for me? Awesome. Let me put these back in the coin cups. You guys are such patient waiters. I have such great children. Sweetie, how much is a penny worth? 1 cent. Sweetheart, do you want help counting or do you want to count your money by yourself? Help. All right, sweetheart, can you step by the weather graph so your friends can see to count with you? All right, my loves, count with him, starting at 10. Ready, set, go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, switch. 51, 50, good counting. 3, 54, 50. Good, Ryan, I love how you were showing me. Sweetheart, do you know how you write 55? What two numbers make 55? Good job, Jaden. You know it. What goes first? 50 sounds like you're about to say what number? Not 10. 50. A 5. Yep. Look it. 50 starts like 5. Yep. 55. So you need another 5. 5 and a 5 makes 55. What can you not forget? That cent sign. Boys and girls say, you got it, Prince.
You got it, Prince.
He did great. Now I'm not going to forget my... Thanks, guys. Oh, Prince, high five. All right. There's a clue. You can count each little one, or you know that these are full 5s, so you could count by 5s, because here's 5, 5, 5, 5. I'm going to give you a second. Whisper count. How many tally marks do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Some of you know. I love it. I want you guys to whisper it to me. Everybody whisper what they think it is. Whisper on 3. 1, 2, 3. What? Boys and girls at home, Mitchell and Karina, they all whispered 20. They all said 20. Let's see if they're right. My loves, let's not count each little one. Let's just count by 5s. Can you count by 5s with me?
Yes.
Because this is a group of 5. Here's a group of 5, 5, 5. So count with me. Ready? Set, go. 5, 10, 15,
20.
Say we were right.
We were right.
Give yourselves a pat on the back. Good job. You guys did great. And give yourselves 2 claps on 2. 1, 2, clap, clap. Good job. I need someone to come and write 20. Kylan, would you come write 20? Can you write 20 for me, my sweet? You can use that blue one. You guys did great. I'm really proud of you. That was really awesome. What, sweetie?
You forgot the weather.
Well, no, not yet. I didn't forget weather. I'm going to do that. Boys and girls, say thanks, Kylan. I'm going to put the cap back on. That's a little tricky. Now it's time for the weather helper. We have all these days in April, but we only have one tag on our weather graph because we've only been in school that one day. So we need more weather tags up there for April. My weather helper, I have 2 sticks left. Samir, let's sing for you. Go look out the window. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? All right, he's going to look out the window. What do you predict it's like out there? Ryan, what do you predict, sweetie? I hope it's a sunny day because when we go outside to play later, it'll be warm and toasty then, hopefully. What do you predict, Mason? This morning it was chilly. It's supposed to warm up though, but this morning it was in the 30s, so it was chilly. What do you predict, Kylan? Sunny, but still cloudy. I love how you said I predict. You did a good job. Bridget, what do you predict? Sunny, but still cold. Yeah, it can still be sunny, but cold. What do you predict, babe? Sunny, but still a little bit chilly. What do you predict, Nazir? Sunny. London. What do you predict, babe? Sunny? What do you predict, Jordan?
and I looked at the end when I was in my spot.
Yeah.
It was a sunny day.
I hope so. She predicts it's sunny. Caleb, what do you predict?
It's sunny.
You think it's sunny, Zaya. I hope so. Here. I don't know. We'll get it out later. It's like little crumply stuff. What is it, babe? What do you predict? Sunny. Chelsea, what do you predict?
I predict it's sunny and warm.
Sunny and warm. I hope it's warm this afternoon. Jaden, what do you predict? Sunny. Lots of sunnies. I hope so. What do you predict? Prince says he predicts it's sunny. And last one, Adelia, what do you predict? Cloudy. Samir, what do you see up there in the sky?
I see sun.
You see a blue sky? I don't. What color is that sky?
Yeah.
No, it's not yellow. It is definitely white or gray. So if the sky is white and gray, that means it's what kind of day? Cloudy. Say bummer, dude. Say come out, son. It still could come out by this afternoon. The clouds could blow away because the wind blows the clouds. So maybe the clouds can blow away and the sun can come out. Adelia, you were right. Let's sing, my sweets. It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. Boo-hoo.
You still have fun though.
We can still have fun even if it's cloudy. You got it, sweetheart. Hey, weather helper Samir. What kind of weather has the most?
Rainy, snow.
They don't have the most. Rainy and snowy don't have the most. Who has the, yep.
Sunny
And
cloudy.
you got it. Who has the least, sweetheart? Now who has the least?
Rainy, snowy.
Say, you got it, Samir.
You got it, Samir.
High five, sweetheart. Samir, you can stay standing, babe, and the rest of you can stand too. Make sure your masks are all the way up. We're going to count. What should we count by first today? Jaden, what do you think? 100.
Count by 100.
100s? What is this big number up here?
1,000.
1,000. Good job, my loves. What should we do while we count, Jaden?
We should.
All right, you can dance. You can do whatever fun dance moves you want to do. Starting at 100. Let's just start at 100. Ready, set, go. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Awesome. Jaden, look at their feet. They should be in their square. Pick a friend to tell you what we should count by next. Ryan, what should we count by next? Evens. What should we do while we count even numbers? Clap. I love clapping. Starting at 0. Ready, set, go. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Addie, you did a great job looking up here at the numbers while you counted, babe. Good for you. I saw your eyes looking up here. Ryan, pick a friend who's standing in their square to tell us what we should count by next. Nazir, 10s, odds, or 5s? Jaden, I need you to look this way. 10s. Miss Johnson's what you're normal. Normal. Let's stomp while we count 10, starting at 0. Ready, set, go. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Sounds like a bunch of dinosaurs in here. Nazir, what should we count by, or not what should we count by? Pick a friend to tell us what we should count by next. Kylan. Sweetheart, would you like to do odds or 5s? 5s. Do you want to go to 50 or 100, sweetie? Just to 50. All right, if I wave at you, wave back. Here we go. Ready, set, go. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Awesome, Kylan. All of your friends are standing in your square, in their squares. Not Kylan. That was Zaya, right? No, it was Kylan. Kylan, I'm sorry, my brain. Goodness gracious me. Pick a friend to tell you who to count by next. It's tricky because they're all doing a good job. Timia, what's left, my love?
Tens.
We did tens, we did evens, we did fives and 100. So which one's left?
Odds.
Odds. What should we do while we count odds, babe?
Let that belly to pat your baby.
She said to pretend that you have a baby in your tummy like me. Rub your belly, and if you want to tap your head, you can too. Rub. It's hard to do two different things, to tap and rub. Make sure you're counting. Ooh, so you have to do three things. Rubbing your belly, tapping your head. Ooh, Bridget can do it, and counting. Starting at 1. Ready? I'm just going to rub my belly because I'm going to touch and count with you so you see where we're counting. Say the right numbers. Ready? Set. Go. 1, 3. Good, Ryan. 5, 7. Good, Adelia. 9, 11, 13. Good, Tamia. 15, 17, 19, 21. You all may have a seat. You did great. Well, that wasn't part of it, my sweet. Chelsea, not Chelsea. Why do I say that? I'm so used to you being at home. You're now here at school. Karina and Mitchell. I will see you back here at 9:20 for reading. Bye, my sweets. I marked you both present for school. All right. My line leader is Nazir.